motherfucking world. You feel me?
Man, McDonald's.
See, y'all there to fuck the job out.
Hey, man, banging them ones and them folks, nigga. Fuck wrong with you, nigga.
Fuck you talking about?
Hey. I go to hell about this shit for real.
Man, y'all heard this shit crazy. Hey,
like you already know, man.
Mac
Johnny, man.
Yeah, Mac Johnny.
One of Larry Fine.
They got the biggest baller right here, man.
Camera, bro. Stop by in front of the camera.
He act like he mad.
If that whole shit eater, he gonna hit her.
Oh, come on, you just let off the brrr on their ass.
Be caught up, turn shit down. Make a whole worse go more about.
Top gun, top general.
Oh, yeah. Hey, big murders, man.
No, he don't know. I thought about you.
Yeah.
It wasn't on me though. It was on him.
All right, big murder, man. You know what's going on. Shout out my nigga Skino. Shout out.
What was that, bro? Like that joint. You know what's going on? We in the South with it, man.
Yeah, I took your hoe to the South.
Going up for the 4th, man. Rick Money in town. You know it's finna go down, man.
Got this shit in our ball. It made me fuck it even though shit average. Money good. Yeah, man. I want to block chillin', man.
What time to lose? 11, dog. When you trying to get that hoe? So right now.
I drive the fucking like we wasn't Chevy. Damn.
What Jenna? That shit fell over, dude. I'm making sure it wasn't another Jenna in there. That hoe was
Daddy, get my mind.
Bro, what the world? Like, did it burn your hair? Put your head down. Look. See that brown thing right there?
That dinner, ain't it?
Your hair been dyed before or something?
Hell no.
What the world? My hair got a brown spot in it.
Won't come off either.
Is this my natural hair color, fool?
No. Look, guys.
I'm not the earth.
Let me see.
It's in case of her. Look. It's a fucking flap.
Fucking where you gonna be out of here. Make it say, huh, like my nigga was good.
Right here, folks.
Y'all got those guns, so make guns the biggest GD.
My biggest one to Larry Fine is mine. Come get your
Bro.
Yeah,
Go on YouTube.
Do this. Yeah. Hey man, we walking, catching vibes, you know what I'm saying? We just came where we came from. Can't give out the spot, but shit.
Listen, baby. Ain't no mountains high, ain't no valley low, ain't no river wide, no baby.
That's a weak ass nigga, man.
So you don't like your shoes? Why you wearing them then?
Nah, he just trying.
What your shoes ain't like that? Your shoes ain't like that. Don't be paying attention. Nobody. I don't get black around here.
When you so
Artificial,
stunned, you know, say wrong.
Okay.
Natural chop me right.
Okay, man.
One more fool. Low, shut the fuck up. You close to the mic, fool. Everybody just shit over there.
Man, you was supposed to be here. I was flying up there in the state saying, fuck this bitch. I was rolling like, fuck this bitch. And when you superstar status, these hoes say they want the real you. I need a vibe to get me right from everything that I done been through.
I called him twice, fool. Shit, what you on? You in there, that nigga just went and gone right quick.
Question, Lord, I got for you, it's tatted on my
Even the missus gonna look good. You know, Steve is money. So we can recognize the fake. You get what I'm saying? Excuse me. See, the missus look good. You see what I'm saying? The camera probably got that one in. This was it. We ain't missing 2 times in a row. Hey.
What? What, Ski? Where are you going? What, you see me shooting right there? Right on the side, I do.
You know that I'm a problem. Nah, y'all, we downtown. Y'all know if y'all know we're finna go. This shit. I know I'm finna turn over this shit, man. But it ain't super hard work dedication, man. They gotta pay off.
Across the globe, I gave my dog some hoes. Just get up and I go, just get up and I go. Move distractions from around me, I gotta get up in that mode. He ain't went out the city yet, he nothing but a Joe Blow. Rocket designer clothes, I'm rude to the flow. Give a fuck who like me, I'm worried about the load. Thumping gas like sicko, ain't nothing to serve your elbow.